for the first time in my political life, and I have been around for around 20 plus years, I am coming to a national event. I am coming to a national event that my leader, Raila Amolo Odinga, is not with us. So I must confess, we are here celebrating his legacy, but I do not know whether I am happy or whether I am sad. But let me tell you, hii chama ya ODM, for some of us, as much as I look young the way I look, I am a founding member of ODM. And I must also say here today, I defended my party kwa damu, kwa nguvu, kwa hali, kwa mali, kama ni noma noma, kama ni mbaya mbaya. It must be known here today, ODM is what it is because some of us tulijitolea kama ilikuwa mbaya mbaya. Mimi sijashikwa kama waamilifu. The only few times I was harassed by the police, it was because of ODM. The only time risasi ilinikosa, it is because of supporting Raila Amolo Odinga. Ama mujui hiyo? Ama mujui hiyo? Ama mujui hiyo? And some of us joined the party ODM because we believe one day, even us from the region here, hapa jimbo la Pwani, hata mimi, I know one day I would have the ambitions to be the president of the Republic of Kenya through ODM. And it is important that we defend the party. Tumeelewana? It is important that we defend the what? The party. Na mimi naambia msifikirie mtatoa chambo, msifikirie mtatoa kafara. Nawaambia msifikirie mtatoa kafara, msifikirie mtatoa chambo. Sisi wengine damu yetu ni moto. Ukileta twaleta, ukija tunakuja, ukitukujia tunakukujia, ukileta noma noma, ukileta mbaya mbaya. Tuelewane namna hiyo. I did not sacrifice my life for nothing to follow the party ODM. Jamani, nataka niwaambie, mimi sijawahi kufuata mtu mwingine. Mimi sijawahi kufuata chama chengine. In my 20s, I joined a movement that was led by Raila Amolo Odinga. And none, let me say it here.